Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build AI workflows with N8n. This is an incredibly powerful way to automate tasks without needing to manually configure every single step, making workflow creation much faster and more intuitive. Let's jump right in. First, head over to N8n.io in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, type in your credentials to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your main hub, where all your workflows live and where you can manage everything. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Workflow button. This action will take you into the workflow editor where the magic happens. Now, you'll be directed to your N8n workflow editor. Here, you'll notice you're presented with two distinct ways to create a workflow. The first option is to build manually, which is represented by the Add First Step option. The second option is to build with AI, and it's worth noting that the AI Builder is enabled by default. This AI-powered approach is what we'll be focusing on today, since it streamlines the entire process significantly. To use the AI Builder on your N8n, we'll start by structuring your desired workflow. You'll see a field labeled, "What do you want to create?" This is where you'll input your automation goal. Now, look for the purple star icon on the right side of your screen. This is your N8n AI assistant. Once you click on it, a right side panel will appear. From here, you can choose the type of workflow you want to create. You'll see several sample options listed below, such as lead qualification, email summarize, daily weather, and other common automation scenarios. Simply type in what you would like to automate in the field provided. Be as specific as possible so the AI can generate the most accurate workflow for your needs. If you're still a bit clueless on how things start or need some inspiration, you can click on the Ask tab. This is a really helpful feature if you're not entirely sure what's possible or how to phrase your automation request. From here, simply type in your question. For example, you could ask something like, "How do I automate emails sorting and follow-ups?" Once you submit your question, you'll be presented with automation or workflow solutions tailored to your query. This gives you a great starting point and shows you what N8n can accomplish. However, do note that a free plan only has 20 monthly credits to build a workflow or automation through AI, so you'll want to use them wisely and plan out your automations before diving in. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to build AI workflows with N8n using their intelligent assistant. This approach saves you tons of time and removes the complexity of manually connecting every node and trigger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.